If you're listing your house on the real estate market, it's going to cost you. Make sure you understand the listing and selling fees and how they'll impact the bottom line of your sale. Hi, I'm Brad Chandler with Express Home Buyers. Did you know listing fees are an added cost you should consider when selling your home on the market? On average, a realtor will charge a 6% commission based on the sale price of your home. So, if you sell your house for $300,000, you could end up paying $18,000 in commissions. Plus, getting your home ready to list may mean sprucing up the exterior, painting the inside, and making repairs that all cost you time and money. And if the buyer's home inspector finds problems, which they always do, such as a damaged roof or bad plumbing, you might have to pay to fix those issues in order to close the sale. When you list, it's also hard to know how much money you'll walk away with after you pay the commissions, closing costs, and other fees. Request an all-cash offer from us, and we'll buy your home as is. No repairs, no commissions, no closing costs, no home inspection items to fix, no fees. You also won't have to deal with any listing, showings, or difficult buyers or lenders. Since we pay cash, you'll have a lot of flexibility to close quickly or on whatever timeline works for you. And our cash offers are guaranteed, so you know your house is sold. There's no risk or obligation. Before you list, call us today and get your free cash offer.
Express Home Buyers, we buy your house in 7